We all ride them in our apartments, stores, and offices. Skyscrapers couldn't have been built without them. You guessed it, elevators. The ubiquitous boxes that transport us through life. I'm Shaimond, and this is It Started Somewhere, a podcast about popular products, places, and things we know about, but may not know the story behind them. And today we're talking about the history of elevators. Humans have been using hoists for vertical transportation since as early as the 3rd century BCE. These primitive elevators, often called hoists, were powered by human and animal power, and sometimes water-driven mechanisms. One of the earliest recorded mentions of an elevator-like device comes from the writings of Roman architect Vitruvius. He attributed the invention to the Greek mathematician Archimedes around 236 BCE. This early incarnation worked by wrapping a rope around a large drum that was turned by several people at once. The ancient Romans made extensive use of elevator-like devices. The Colosseum, whose construction was completed in 80 AD, had 28 elevators spread throughout the structure that were used to transport animals and props. These elevators were powered by human strength. It took 224 people to activate all 28 elevators at once. In the 18th century, we see the first glimpses of elevators used for human transportation rather than just cargo. In 1743, King Louis XV of France had a human-powered, counterweighted personal elevator built in Versailles. This connected his apartment to his mistress' apartment, who lived one floor above him. Talk about ingenuity. However, it wasn't until the 19th century that elevator technology began to advance significantly. The Industrial Revolution brought about a need for more efficient ways to transport heavy materials in warehouses, mines, and factories. The mid-1800s marked a turning point in elevator history. In 1823, two architects, Burton and Homer, built an ascending room in London to give tourists a panoramic view of the city. But the real game changer came in 1852 when Elisha Graves Otis invented the safety brake. This revolutionary device prevented the elevator from falling if the hoist cable broke. Otis demonstrated his invention at the 1854 New York World's Fair in a dramatic fashion. Standing on an elevated platform, he ordered the retaining rope to be cut. As the platform began to drop, the safety brake engaged, stopping the descent. "All safe, gentlemen, all safe," Otis declared to his astonished crowd. This safety innovation paved the way for the widespread adoption of passenger elevators. In 1857, Otis installed the first commercial passenger elevator in a 5-story department store in New York City, marking the beginning of a new era in vertical transportation. As buildings grew taller, the demand for faster and more efficient elevators increased. The 1870s saw the shift from steam-powered elevators to hydraulic systems. These hydraulic elevators used water pressure as their power source and became the industry standard for the time. However, the real revolution came with the advent of electricity. In 1880, German inventor Werner von Siemens created the first electric elevator. This innovation opened up new possibilities for building heights and elevator speed. As elevators became more common, inventors focused on improving their safety and efficiency. In 1887, an electric elevator with automatic doors that close off the elevator shaft was patented, making elevators even safer. The development of safe and efficient elevators had a profound impact on architecture and urban planning. Before elevators, the top floors of buildings were the least desirable due to the need to climb stairs. However, with the advent of elevators, this completely reversed. The ability to move people vertically with ease allowed architects to design taller buildings, leading to the birth of the modern skyscraper. By the 20th century, elevators had become an integral part of urban life. Today, modern commercial buildings commonly have multiple elevators with unified control systems. These sophisticated systems use complex algorithms to optimize elevator movement, reducing wait times and improving efficiency. Elevators even use mirrors to make them seem more open and have digital displays that share information to help the ride feel shorter. From simple hoists in ancient times to the high-speed computer control systems of today, elevators have come a long way. They've not only changed how we move within buildings, but have fundamentally altered the way we build our cities and live our lives. The next time you step into an elevator, take a moment to appreciate the centuries of innovation and engineering that have gone into creating this marvel of modern convenience. From Archimedes to Elisha Otis, from steam power to electric motors, the history of elevators is a testament to human ingenuity and our constant drive to reach new heights. Thank you for joining me on It Started Somewhere. I'll catch you on the next episode.